And by doing so, the keys of the kingdom were hidden in plain sight. Ancient yogis, early Christians, and Taoists all taught breath as a doorway to higher states of consciousness. Yet religion reduced it to silent prayer, stripping the body of its natural gateway. Chant and sound, sacred sound, mantras, and vibration activate the nervous system and awaken higher states. But in many traditions, chanting was confined to priests, choirs, or restricted liturgy. All these practices were rebranded as either mystical, pagan, or forbidden. And by doing so, the keys of the kingdom were hidden in plain sight.